Hi, my name is Peumal. I'm originally from Sri Lanka and I migrated to Australia in 2016 and I studied a Bachelor of Mechanical Engineering at Swinburne University of Technology, and currently I am employed as a production engineer at Wilson Transformer Company, and I am involved in process improvement projects and day-to-day solutions and problem solving in the process of manufacturing transformers. So if I be truthful, I didn't exactly go to the power sector from the start. So I was working in another industry and I got the opportunity at Wilson Transformer Company to work with an incredible team. And I was intrigued by the vast number of transformers and with all different specs and sizing that deliver to these energy companies, which are all a big part of the project to delivering sustainable solutions to our communities. So that really interests me to start working, to be part of the power sector. So yeah, so after having a year's experience at Wilson's and attending a program like this from the API, it evolves your knowledge in the power sector and how important it is to the communities. And so I believe most energy projects need transformers as a critical element. So and a lot of stakeholders might be asking, they've got set deadlines and demands, so there'll be always a question on what's the lead time for a transformer. So as a production process engineer, I think it's critical for me to find process improvement and innovative solutions and upgrades and changes which can reduce that lead time and costing while still maintaining a high quality product for our customers. So I think that's critical in the energy transformation in Australia. So after starting at Wilson's, that's where I got to know the importance of the power sector and how the global energy transformation from to renewables, which consist of major energy projects around Australia and globally, and how now I am a part of a company that delivers transformers, which is a key element in all aspects. So that makes me passionate and gives me goals to achieve new heights and innovations in the power industry. So I'm hoping that I can achieve that in the near future. So I believe if you're studying an engineering degree, your normal physics and chemistry subjects such as fluid mechanics and thermodynamics, they're critical as a base. And then if you're really passionate in the power industry, if you want to pursue a career, you can look at renewable energy and environmental studies, and also subjects like engineering management, which would go into more of the project management and stakeholder engagement and developing communication skills, which I think are vital in the future. If you're working in the power industry, that'll be helpful in managing future potential projects. So that'll be key as a young undergraduate to start working on those subjects. Yeah, it was actually the scale of the power industry itself. It was mainly after joining this program and understanding how all your different sectors, such as the TNSPs and your energy companies and your transformer manufacturers, how they all come together, and how there's so many different variety of skills in engineering and also management and data, and how they all play a part and are critical in achieving large energy completion of large energy projects. So the vast scale of it just amazes me, and I'm glad and excited to be a part of it. I think as an engineering student, if I go back to the past, I think a lot of new potential students should look into working in the power industry, because it's an industry in high demand, and there's a lot of sectors where you can apply different fields of engineering. So even if you have a background in electrical engineering or chemical or even mechanical, which is what I studied. So this all needs to come together in making the products that facilitate the power industry. So there's a lot of diversity in the field. So you can study data analytics, and you can study environmental studies, and they all play a huge part in the whole management of the power sector in Australia and globally. So it's definitely a field that you'd want to be in.